Oh, hello, sunshine. Look at the shine on that puppy. Oof. Oh, but those lips though. Okay, sorry. I'm doing my Walmart box. It is super bright. It looked the first video I filmed was my Sephora unboxing and it looked really dark. So I'm gonna do this with maybe not my glasses. Oh my gosh. I don't know, but then I can't really see. And this wow. Let me sit back. Woo! Okay. This is the summer box from Walmart. Maybe if I just keep holding stuff in front of the camera, I won't be blinded. Oh, yay! I need these. The Big Soleil Sensitive 3 Flexible Blade Comfort Shield razors for shaving my legs. Yay! And your underarms, you know, in places that you shave. The Rock Retinol Correction Eye Cream visibly reduces wrinkles around the eyes, crow's feet, dark circles, and puffiness. Okay, Rock. I have a very nice eye cream that I'm using that claims to do these things too. So when I'm done with that, I will move on to this. I'm keeping that. Go Walmart. The Great Lash, a classic mascara. I do not like it though. Like I am a mascara junkie, but I have used this a couple times for a while, and this doesn't work for me. It just doesn't. Sorry. Ooh. The Nivea 48 Hour Soothing Moisture sample of aloe vera lotion, which I like Nivea products. They have parabens in them and silicone, I think. But they smell great. The Biore Free Your Pores Witch Hazel Ultra Deep Cleansing Pore Strips for your noses. I do not get clogged pores on my nose. But I do have sometimes large pores. So we may try that. We may try that indeed. And I have one more thing. The Blistex Conditioning Lip Serum. 1 drop deeply conditions nutrient-rich oils with vitamin E and vitamin E. A dose control pump. Oh! It looked like a chapstick kind of thing, but it's actually a pump of stuff. Just a pump and lip serum. Okay. Keeps lips looking healthy and feeling silky. Okay. I mean, I don't think my lips look bad, but you know, whatever I can do to help them stay looking good, I will do it. And then we've got some informational pages here. Biore, the Blistex, the Rock, and the Bic. So that's a nice little razor though, actually, because I've been buying these little 5 for 97-cent dealios at Walmart. Because I mean, you know, I don't really shave that often, so I don't think I need like a high quality shaver. But they don't last very long either. So this, you know, should last a little bit longer, I would imagine. But yeah, so cool. This is exciting. That is great. And that way I can use this one here, and then I can take the little cheaper ones when I travel. I mean, I don't travel a lot, but you know, have the option. Yay! Thank you, Walmart. Walmart's box is a quarterly subscription box. You do it it comes to you every 3 months, and it's $5. That includes shipping. And yeah, you just get samples of things that are either new to Walmart or that they are showcasing during that period of time that reflect the season that it's about. So this one is about summer. So this is all things that you need for the summer. You have your eye cream because you're, you know, out partying all night because it's summertime, you're out of school, I guess. Lip serum to keep your lips conditioned because you're outside all the time partying. And razors to keep your skin smooth when you're at the beach. Oh yeah, beach theme. There you go. That's the theme. That's the tickets. Okay, so everything's back in the box. Yay! That's a good box too. I'm excited. Okay, I did my Sephora unboxing earlier. I'm doing this unboxing now, and I have really cool stuff from each box. So I am super excited about. Oh, is this? You know what? Thinking of the beach. Is this mascara waterproof? This is not the waterproof version. That would have been perfection right there. Even if it's not the best mascara, sometimes if you get it in a waterproof, it just makes it more user friendly. more use the ball, especially for the summer because you're sweating and you're hot outside and, you know, that kind of thing. So that would have been a good idea, just FYI. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I don't know if everyone gets the same types of things in their boxes from Walmart. I don't know if they do them based on like the age range that you're in. I think they may or may not. I think they tried to at one time, or is that Sephora? Maybe getting them mixed up. But anyway, let me know if you got something in your box that you're super excited about. And thank you for watching. Not a sponsored video. This comes out of my bank account with my own money. Have a great day. Peace.